Thank you for shopping at Meijer.
Thank you for shopping at Walmart. Use PIN pad to complete transaction.
Welcome. Please scan your first item. If you have check refunds, Coinstar, coupons, or bottle slips, please scan them at the end of your order.
Welcome. Please scan your first item.
Please insert your coupon. Enter M-Perks or insert coupon. Select from list.
Insert cash or select payment type. Select payment type.
Please take your receipt.
Please wait for assistance. Unexpected item in bagging area. Remove this item before continuing.